How to create Byju's account for free. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to create an account in Byju's for free, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for byjus.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Byju's. Here on the top of your screen, you will see the option for Login. Tap on that. You will be led to the login portal of Byju's. So go ahead and firstly set your country and then enter your mobile number and then tap on the continue option. You will now receive an OTP in the number you just entered. So enter the OTP in here and tap on next. You'll now be asked to fill in your profile details. So enter your name, email, city, grade, and tap on next. And with this, you will be led to the home page of Byju's, and this is how you can create an account in Byju's for free. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.